Brought a table, baby. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're headed to McDonald's. We're gonna see people's reactions to the Huracan STO. Let's do it. McDonald's. Lambo's coming through today. People looking inside the McDonald's. We're waiting in line. Gonna order some McDonald's.
Got a McDonald's, so you need it on my wire today?
2 Big Macs, only cheese.
2 Big Mac?
Only cheese.
Alright, anything else?
And 3 large fries.
Anything to drink with that?
No, that's it.
Okay, please drive to the first window.
Okay, thank you. Like and subscribe so we could grow the channel to do crazier and crazier things in the future. Thank you.
One eternity later.
You already know where we're eating. You already know. Brought a table, baby.